How's it going, everybody? We're beach bound. We're here with Chip and Janet from HRO, as well as Gordon West, doing a little bit of Thanksgiving portable here in Bolsa Chica State Beach. I'll show you what we got set up, and maybe we'll make a couple contacts. Chip is doing the Armstrong rotation there for his Yagi. Let's see how he's got it. Does he have it sorted? That yeah. It follows the wind load. On. Hey Joe, it's Josh, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. How are you?
Hi Josh, KI6NAZ, K0NEB. Long time no hear. Hi.
Indeed, indeed. Nice to make contact with you so quickly. I literally turned the car off and ran over to make this call.
Well, you sound great. No problem at all. And welcome to the beach crowd.
Well, thank you very much, Joe. I appreciate that. I'm going to unload my car there, so I'm going to hop off for a second. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu 73. Thank you.
Okay, K0NEB.
Now, I don't know if everybody can see it in the background. Let me see if I can. So you may not be able to see it, but up in the background, you can actually see all the San Gabriel mountain range, which is kind of cool about Southern California, is we can see the major soda spots from the beach out here, which is pretty cool. In fact, if you swing over to the right, just over the top of that building is Santiago Peak. So, pretty sweet. It's always nice to come out on a clear day like this.
Let's see, W6LFB, are you still there? WB6NOA.
Still here.
All right, tell us where you're located, and Josh is getting everything recorded. Go ahead.
Very good, yes. I'm in the little college town of Denton, Texas, where we got University of North Texas and Texas Women's University, just north of Dallas, the Big D.
Well, very good. Well, we're right here by the Blue Pacific, about 50 yards from the ocean. You can maybe hear it in the background. The wind is blowing like a mama, but we are determined to stay on the air. Over.
Roger, sounds good. Well, I have to tell you, that wind isn't giving you any kind of interference on your audio. I don't hear it in the audio, so you're good there. And just as an aside, we're running a special event here, 100 years of operation by WRR Dallas, the first licensed broadcast station in Texas, and the second in the country after KDKA. Over.
Well, I remember that. No, I don't remember that. I do remember KDKA many years after it was on the air. Well, congratulations. What was the call sign of your AM broadcast station on the 100th anniversary? Over.
Yeah, it's WRR, Whiskey Romeo, WRR. But never got over 5 kilowatts, so it wasn't on a clear channel, and a lot of the AM DXs don't recognize it.
Okay, Whiskey Romeo, that's a good one. Okay, thanks so much for the call. All right, QRZ on the Blue Pacific right here at the beach for Turkey Day.
With Whiskey Bravo 6, November Oscar Alpha, please copy Whiskey Delta 8, November Victor November, you're 59 Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio, WD8NVN. Yes, I see you on Chip's log. And we've got you as well. How's the weather in Columbus? Over.
Thank you very much. And I watch Ham Nation also, and understand you have a lot of wind on the beach. And thank you very much for being on the air on 15 meters. Thank you very much. And I'll let you go in 73.
Roger, Roger. What is your weather? How's the weather? Snow and ice, or what have you got?
The weather here is deep overcast, light fog, and light rain. And very almost dark here.
Yeah,
but,
it made a difference.
No sunshine whatsoever today, but about 46 degrees, over.
Roger that. Well, stay warm. It's a blustery day out here in Southern Cal. We've got winds coming in from the desert, so it's not real cold, and we've got you in the logbook. Back you're in 2 logs. All right, from the Blue Pacific, right on the beach for our annual roast a turkey in the sand, WB6NOA. We got Josh with Ham Radio Crash Course here as well, and Michael, and we've got everybody. LA Times is here, Los Angeles Times. I hope you're a subscriber. And Susie and Janet, QRZ. CQ15, WB6 November Oscar Alpha. CQ15 from Portable on the beach in Southern California. I mean on the sand.
November 5 X-ray Echo.
Oh, I'm sorry, I had some QR. The Echo station again?
November 5 X-ray Echo and 5XT.
And 5XE, very good afternoon. You're 5 and 9 plus. Huntington Beach, California, on the sand. It's Chip out here, CHIP. Happy Thanksgiving. Go ahead.
Happy Thanksgiving. The name here is Carl. Charlie Alpha Romeo Lima. I'm about 75 miles south of Oklahoma City. Over.
Great. Well, you're thundering in out here. We're heating up the hot oil to drown a turkey, and it's going to be happening in a few minutes. But right now, we are working DX on 15 meters. N5XC, it's great to hear you, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving there, Carl. K7JA.
Okay, sounds good. What was the name again?
A chip, like a potato chip.
Okay, Chip, sounds good. Well, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your turkey, and you guys be safe out there. K7JA and 5XC.
Behave, not going to do it. Thanks so much. QRZ, K7JA. I'm going to bring the beam around your way.
Okay, we've got 705 here connected to the Buddy Stick Pro. Connected, whoa, look at 20 meters. That's crazy. Let's find a hole. All right, we're at 1400 hertz, and let's blast off a CQ. Okay, so we're FT8 portable on the beach. 4 CQ calls, no contacts yet. I may have to find a clear frequency, but no noise. There's not one spot. It's so packed. I'm gonna go here and start calling. Yeah, I'm gonna use all of my 5 watts here to really punch through. I may have to engage my battery. Yeah, in fact, I'll start getting ready to do that.
Now you finally got to get a cable.
Now I've got to get a cable. Oh, and somebody's calling, geez. No, somebody's already there, it looks like. Yeah. Okay, now the contacts are coming in. I had my time screwed up, so I had to run dimension 4 off my phone. Looks like, let's see if we got that contact logged. WY7BG, you are in the log, buddy. Thank you for the contact. And there we go, 7-3. So let's keep her going. And then you can walk away. That's the beauty of FT8, right? That's the
That's right.
So you're at the beach. They're gonna be doing the turkey right now. You know, you got to get ready for. You got to be playing radio, but still be able to keep up with what's going on, right?
Well, ham and turkey.
Ham and turkey.
Ham and turkey.
They go together perfectly.
Absolutely.
That's right. Chip's running Morse code on 15 meters with his solar panel, which I'm blocking, killing the efficiency. That's my kid tent over there. And Gordo's on the mag loop with the TS2000.
Say again?
That's a TS2000, right?
Yeah, yeah. We were going to use the little Yaesu, but who would know that the microphone from another Yaesu, even though it's the same jack, would not work with this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, he's working. He's got it. You can. How big is that battery?
That's 40 amp hours.
Oh my gosh, that'll run you all weekend. Are you going to be out here that long?
No, I won't be on all night long on that battery, but I should be on well after dark.
All right.
Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Only weighs 12 pounds. Come
Oh,
to
okay.
Papa.
Well, that's really good. Just set her down.
I have wing nuts for cool factor, Josh.
Oh yeah, for sure. Now, do you change you just change the driven element, pretty much?
Well, you know,
I don't know if that's going to have an effect.
damn you.
I'm not sure how much of an effect.
No,
it's gonna have.
that's a mighty good idea, actually. I think I was going to pull this off.
Yeah, that's what I thought you were going to do.
Yeah, I think I'll do that.
Yeah.
No, but you know, at the end of the day, you could do exactly what you suggested. Because 15 isn't going to talk to it too badly.
I wanted to demonstrate this. I'm about to pack up. So I've got my Peak Design bag, which had everything in it. I got the eye bolt on the Versa mount, and I'm using a carabiner hook to tension the tripod down. The wind died down completely, but this was still nice to have, this little eye bolt. Good piece of kit.
And Steve, we're located in Huntington Beach, Seal Beach area, right on the water. And here's Josh.
Oh.
Say hi, Steve.
There we go. Hold on.
I thought I was going to yell it. Stand by.
Hey.
Steve, and he's in North Carolina.
Hi, Steve in North Carolina. This is Josh, KI6NAZ. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's nice to see you guys are having fun.
Oh yeah, the weather's perfect out here. It was a little windy, but it's calmed down significantly, so it's great.
Roger that. Yeah, we've spent some time out in California. Love it out there, just can't afford to live there, bud.
Oh yeah, copy that. That's it's a universal problem, I think. Well, I'm going to hand you back to Gordo. Thank you for the talk there. KI6NAZ.
Good job. Kids,
Great job, buddy. Great job. Great job.
Walked all the way to the East Coast.
Do you know that?
All right, thanks, Steve.
The other side of the country.
Crash course. You've probably seen a Smitty.
Here we go. That is perfect. Wow. You guys are professionals. This is beautiful.
Oh, it's not because the wind was blowing. Normally we have everything set up.
Yeah. Huge thank yous to Gordo and Susie and Chip and Janet for allowing me to come out and raid their beautiful event with my kids. We had a lot of fun. Couldn't stay for more than a couple of hours, but we played a little radio. Even my sons got on the radio thanks to Gordo there. Thanks again for that, Gordo. And boy, what a great tradition. Getting out there with your friends, cooking a turkey on the beach, and playing radio. Man, put that down as homework. Go out there and try to create your own ham radio tradition that your family enjoys. Wouldn't that be cool? Anyway, thanks so much for watching this, guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving. And if you have not, give me that thumbs up and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. 73.